SiteCapture is a mobile and web app specifically configured to streamline operations for businesses in the solar industry. It gives your team an easy way to gather critical data and photo document every job. The SiteCapture platform is used throughout the solar lifecycle, including during sales and pre-installation, design and planning, installation financing, and O&M. With SiteCapture, you can quickly and easily capture and organize all the data and photos that are critical for every step of your daily operations. When you take photos in the app, they are automatically organized and saved to the cloud, so you don't have to spend time going through a cluttered camera roll to upload pictures and send them to different parties. After taking a photo in SiteCapture, you have the ability to add captions, save to your camera roll, make edits, and even draw directly on the photo. Plus, all photos are location, date, and time stamped, so you can verify where, when, and how the photos are taken. And at any point, automatically generate highly configurable, custom branded PDF reports directly from the mobile or web app with just a click. Then easily share those reports with your team, clients, and key stakeholders to keep everyone in the loop. When you edit a project in SiteCapture, it updates directly to the cloud in real time, so your field crew and back office team can access any project at any given time. With just a few clicks, you can quickly get your team using SiteCapture by adding them as users. This way, you can assign and share work with your team members so everyone is on the same page and knows exactly what they need to do. Once your team is aboard, streamline all communications by messaging directly from the app. In-app messaging allows your team to chat in real time within a project on the app, ensuring questions and issues can quickly be resolved at the job site. Plus, the full message thread history is saved directly on the project, allowing your team to search and reference these project-specific communications whenever they want. There are multiple ways that SiteCapture takes organization to the next level. For example, by using job site containers, you can manage and store all the work that happens at each location in a simple-to-view, organized setup that has the full history of every site visit. When creating work within a job site container, it'll automatically copy over all of the critical site information, so you don't have to waste time re-entering data. In addition, SiteCapture provides customizable forms and templates so you can ensure your crew captures the right photos and data the first time. Lastly, SiteCapture keeps things easy by fitting right into your workflow. Between our native integrations, our Zapier app, and our powerful RESTful API, SiteCapture integrates with virtually anything, so you can seamlessly integrate SiteCapture with your existing tech stack. Want to streamline your solar field operations? Get started for free today at SiteCapture.com.